So let's examine this circle theorem problem. It says O is the center of the circle and we want to find angle ACB. Where is that? ACB is here. ACB, that's this angle here. Okay, now I can already see angle 37 degrees. Do you know that this is also 37 degrees? Let me show you how to even know angles in the same segment. Look at this arc. This arc is the one that subtends this angle at the circumference. So you can trace it from here to here and from here to here. You see that? Now the same arc is responsible for subtending this other angle here. You see this? You see? So which means whatever this angle is here would still be the same with this angle because they are both subtended by the same arc. Hence they are called angles in the same segment. So we can boldly say that CBA, angle CBA is equal to what? 37 degrees. In bracket, angles in the same segment. So this is 37 degrees. Now, remember we are trying to get what angle? ACB, this angle. Since this is the center of the circle, from what we're told, O is the center, and this line here is the diameter. The diameter will create two semicircles. So what you have here is what? A semicircle. Look at the ends of the diameter. You can see that this angle is formed from the two lines coming from the end of the diameter. And whatever they form, the angle they form here is what? 90 degrees. So the angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. This is how to identify the angles in a semicircle when you are dealing with circle theorem. Now, we already have two angles in the triangle. Where is the triangle? BCA is a triangle. All right. So what does that tell you? That if this is 90, so when you add 90, or we can just say angle ACB will be equal to what? 180 degrees minus the sum of the other two angles, 37. Or you can just subtract 37 from 90. That will give you the other one. But let's just do this. And the reason is what? Sum of angles in a triangle. So angle ACB will be equal to 180 degrees minus this plus this is what? 127. And what is 180 minus 127? That will be what? 53 degrees. So angle ACB is 53 degrees. I'll see you in the next video.